Alright, yes, welcome back. It is a new day again. Today, we've got something a bit special. Right, so welcome back to the BMX build. We're nearly finished. We are nearly finished. The end is in sight. I was looking at the forks last night and I wasn't quite happy with them, the way that they turned out. So because I sprayed the bars red, see the finish on them, I think they look pretty nuts. So yeah, because I did the bars red, I decided to do the forks red as well. So stripped them down last night, give them some red, I think they look pretty nuts. But the frame, just take a second to look at that. I am so stoked with the way that turned out. I've done all the bolts and the sprocket in the red as well. But last night I sat there with some 600 grit sandpaper, I wet it up and I just rubbed this down so gently, but now it's so smooth. As well, look what else come in the post. To replace that top cap. That's going to look pretty cool along with all that. So yeah, a small lacquer, bang that all over it. While I do that, I've got a little lapse to show off all the powder painting that I did yesterday. Very messy job, but I have to say, so worth it. So yeah, you watch that while I do this and I'll see you after. Peace. Alright, so I've absolutely no idea how this is going to go. Use a doggy bag because I've got no gloves. So start off with a little bit, shall we? Pretty messy job, this one. Oh, that looks pretty nuts, do you not think? Unfortunately, I think it's gonna rain. Just started. Yeah, so I've made this little contraption under some shelter. We've got the lacquer. Just added a bit more to it after the first coat of thing. Hey boy, welcome back. I am so stoked how this has turned out. I can't wait for you to see it. We're going to have a closer look now. Now, just look. Proper Galaxy sort of vibes that I was going for. Then we got the forks to go with the bars. Gotta say, I am happy with that. How that has turned out, that is worth the time and effort. All the bits coming all at the right time to get it all built in one. So happy about it, so stoked. So that has been the BMX custom build with the Pearl Bomb, Galaxy, whatever sort of design you want to call it. But I think it's turned out so epic with the red bars, everything to go with it. It's just couldn't have turned out any better. So if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. Hopefully get out down the skate park tomorrow if it's nice, and if I do, I'll try and make a little edit. So peace.